All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing this morning? Welcome to the Momo Room. Charlie already briefed you on the week. Just to kind of give a recap, Fed Chair Powell will be speaking 3 times this week. He's got a lot to say, a lot to address. Markets currently down. The Dow is down 66, S&P down 8, and then NASDAQ futures down 25. Oil's up a smidge, and we'll see how this week plays out. The big thing this week is, of course, trade talks. Finally, hopefully, we can get an agreement. I know one of our students said there'll never be an agreement. Hey, we can only watch and hope that there will be, for the sake of all that's going on in the markets. Leading our list, our Trend Disciple list, guys, if you would like a copy of that list, you can source it in the documents folder. It's called the Trend Disciple list. I'll reference it here in the general chat area so everybody can access it. Also, one other thing, if you are new to the room, you can watch the welcome video.